This is activity 1.7 on page 47, working with text functions. We have My Current Projects workbook open. You are an HR generalist at Develotech Industries. Your company has a large campus with multi-floor buildings. In order to locate an employee in any building of the campus, you have been asked to extract various parts of data from text provided to you by your manager. The first two characters of the code represent campus notation. The next two characters represent the building code, and the last four characters represent the floor location. In order to do this, you will use text functions. So we're going to navigate over to our Campus Information Worksheet tab, and you can see we have first name, last name, and we have campus, building, floor, all in one code. So we are going to extract the campus code, which is going to be the first four characters in this, and then the building is going to be the next two characters. The floor number is going to be the last four characters. And then finally, we're going to use our concatenate function to string together the first and last name into one cell. All right, so we'll be using our text functions here. Number 2 extracts the campus code, which is the first two characters from the combined field. You want cell D2 selected. And from our function library group, we're going to select the text drop-down category, and we're going to choose left. This opens up our left function argument dialog box. The text we're taking this from is going to be cell C2. And then you can click into your number of characters, and we want to extract 2 characters from the left. Enter 2 here and click OK. And you can see it returns C1, which is our first 2 characters, which is exactly what we want. Now for the building, select cell E2. We're going to go to our text category drop down again, but this time we're going to select the mid function. The text that we're extracting the characters from is still C2. We're going to start in the third place. So we want to start 1, 2, 3. And how many characters do we want to extract? We want to extract 2 characters. Click OK, and it should give us a result of BA, which it does. Next, we're going to select cell F2. And again, we're going to go up to our text category drop-down. And this time we're going to choose our right text function. We're pulling the characters from the same text, which is cell C2. But the number of characters we want to do is going to be 4 this time. So it's looking at this and it's saying 1, 2, 3, 4 from the right. Now they're still going to stay in order. It's not going to go 1, 0, L, F. It's still going to be in order. It's just telling you how many characters to take from the right. So we should get a return of FL01, telling us this person is located on floor 1. And that's exactly what we get. All right, now number 5, we're going to use the concatenate function to string together the first name and the last name into a single cell. We're going to select cell G2, equal, and you can start typing for the concatenate. They actually use the concat function. And these are actually the same function. I think they updated the name into newer versions of Microsoft Excel. So we'll just go with what the textbook says, but you can use either of these. So we'll choose the concat function. And the text we want from here, the first argument is going to be cell A2, which is mini. We're going to do comma to move over to the next field. Now we want a space in between mini's first and last name. So we'll do opening double quotes, hit your space bar, double quotes again, comma to move to the next field. And now we want, excuse me, the last name, which is in cell B2. Then you can do your closing parentheses and click enter. So we get mini space Pope. Now you can see I only did the information for mini, but I still have more employees that I have to enter here as well. We don't need to go in and individually do that. We're going to select the range D2 through G2, and I'm going to use my autofill handle, and it's going to complete everything for me. And you can double check. You can see C1, BB, floor 2, Terry space heart, and double check that everything is correct there. But it was nice because we only had to enter the functions for that first employee, and then everything else was just a matter of double clicking that fill handle to get all of the text results for us. All right, we can go up to our quick access toolbar and save our updates. And this is our last activity in our first chapter. So we can exit out of Excel.